Taking a look at our schematic, we can see that the bottom gussets fit behind the face frame. They have a length of 11 1/4 inches. So if we look at the right side view of our project, the bottom gusset runs all the way to the back from directly behind the face frame. And those gussets should fit right onto the sides. Now at this point, we do need to determine which side we want facing out on the project, because our gusset pieces are going to be adhered to the inside of the project. We then want to add a little bit of glue to the face of our bottom gusset and spread that around across the entire face. We can flip that over and apply a couple clamps to hold that securely in place. We do want to double check that we are perfectly flush with both the bottom of our project as well as what will become the front of our project. And then wipe any glue that has squeezed out. This can then be set aside for 24 hours. And we need to continue the same process with our other side.